Hello, I am Archana. I am MME student of CIC from Delhi University. आज हम मूविंग रेक्टेंगल से एंगल्स के सम कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स के सम सीखेंगे. इसमें हमारे पास है एक सर्कुलर बोर्ड इन विच वी हैव फिक्स रेक्टेंगल एंड ऑन दीज फोर आर द vertices of this rectangle which we can move, and these are the scales from where we can measure angles of these vertices. In this model we will move these vertices, and after that we will measure angles, and in this we can see that the corresponding angle sum always will be equal to 180 degree. Either I move this angle, this or this one or this one. Now we will see. I am going to move one angle. See,
तुम मुझे समझाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
move नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ हाँ कोई बात नहीं, को आराम से मूव कराओ. हाँ हाँ
See, I move these one, and now if we measure the angle of this one and this one, and we can see that the sum of these two angle will always be equal to 180 degree. And similarly we can see that here this angle and this angle, sum of these two angles sum also will be equal to 180 degree. So here we can move it more from other side. See, I made it a perfect rectangle, and you can see that here it is making 90 degree angle on all the four vertices. And as you know, all the four vertices of rectangle have sum of 360 degree, and in 360 degree opposite angle sum will be 90 plus 90 180 degree, and in this case 90 plus 90 180 degree.
ओके. और
And
अबाउट द साइड के बारे में बताओ कुछ.
as you know, rectangle sides, now we will move it in its original position. Now we can see that here we can make it a rhombus and rectangle also. And as you
when all angles are 90 degree, then it will become a square.
When you see,
define the property
you
of
saw
all the
that
triangles,
we have all the four angles were 90 degree. In this case we have two figure, one is square and one will be rectangle, in which all the four angles will be 90 degree, and these 90 degree angles prove that the corresponding angle and the
corresponding angle
will be 90 degree, and the
supplementary adjacent
angle adjacent angle sum also will be 180 degree, because this is it will be possible in the case of rectangle and square only.